Hi everybody, welcome to Trains Tuesday. Back here again on my layout in the garage. Today I thought I'd just talk about the start to building a retaining wall up here, where we're going to have a tunnel, a retaining wall, another tunnel, and a retaining wall down here. So rather than going out and buying something, I went to Blender, which is our 3D drawing software, and started to draw up some retaining walls. So this is where I'm up to at the moment. This is a sort of modular system that I can now build retaining walls of various heights and lengths, and so we'll just take a quick look at how it all goes together. So welcome back. I thought I'd bring them over here and show you how it all goes together. It's a bit easier to do it all laid out. So we have 2 row pieces, 4 row pieces, 6 and 8 row pieces. And these all can combine to any height and then length that you want. So they just they all go together like this. So we can make them any length we want. We can also mix and match our pieces as we like. And we can also clip them together to come up with the heights that we need, etc. If you're making a retaining wall, you can then glue them together, paint them up, or if you're leaving them just like this, you can paint them up as you like. We also have caps to go on the top that sits in the groove. So we have a cap here that will fit on the top, just to make that look nice and tidy. And we have caps to go on the bottom to make it look nice and tidy when I get the tolerances sorted out. It's better. It's the wrong way around. So we have a cap at the top and a cap, or sort of a base at the bottom and a cap at the top. Now also the way I've tried to put them together is to make the caps with little grooves in them. You might be able to see that there. So that you can actually use the caps to lock them together. And the tongues in the bottom are also set up so that the caps that we use, the bases that we use, can be used to lock them together as well, just to make that a bit more rigid for if you're not gluing them together and you just want to use them sitting along here. If you do want to use them sitting sort of independently, I have made a slightly wider slightly wider base, just to make them a little bit more stable when they sit there. So we can build up the height for these as we go. And these will sit reasonably nicely. Just put another base on that just to help out. if I can find one that fits. That's all the big bases I've printed. And that will sit quite nicely. For playing, say, Dungeons and Dragons or something that you might want to do. The other thing about them that's quite nice, I'll just get them to pieces again, is that they fit quite nicely as a right angle, so you can make a wall from them. And I've actually made a nice piece that will help hold them together. Just got to work out which way they go. So that's like that. So that makes quite a nice wall, right angled corner of the wall. So that's where I'm up to with those. There's a little bit more to do on tolerancing, and even can look at putting doors and windows in these walls. So then when we just get a few bits together, you can see we can just build things up and they'll start looking quite good. So I can stack all these pieces up and slowly bring it up to the height that I need. And then I can put the cap on the top and the bottom. And I can start building out this way and building out this way. Now let's just get another train going, shall we? Because that's really what we're here for to do. So we'll just get this New York Central Union going for us. And a bit of fun. So that's all for today. Just a quick one to show you what I've been doing with the 3D printer and building the wall. Hope you enjoy that. Thanks to all the people who have subscribed. And don't forget, if you do like these videos, just click the thumbs up and subscribe, and then you'll get advised of when I put out new ones. So have a good day. Bye.